In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter and pay bills in QuickBooks Desktop. If you need to keep your accounts payable organized and make sure vendor invoices are recorded correctly, this is a simple process to learn. Entering bills properly helps you track what your business owes, avoid missed payments, and keep your financial reports accurate. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to enter a bill in QuickBooks Desktop so it's ready to be paid later. Start by going to the Vendors menu at the top of the screen and selecting Enter Bills. This opens the Bill Entry window where you'll record the details from the invoice you received from your vendor. Next, choose your vendor from the drop-down menu. It's important to select the correct vendor because QuickBooks uses this information to track balances owed, payment history, and vendor-specific transactions. If you have several similar vendor names, take an extra second to confirm you're choosing the right one before moving on. After that, verify the date shown on the bill. You'll also want to enter the reference number from the invoice. This is usually the invoice number provided by the vendor, and adding it here makes it much easier to search for the bill later or match it to supporting documents. Then set the due date based on the payment terms listed on the invoice. Making sure this is accurate can help you avoid late fees and keep your cash flow planning on track. Now enter the total amount due. This should match the vendor invoice exactly. It's always a good idea to pause here and double-check the amount before continuing, especially if you're entering multiple bills at once. At the bottom of the window, choose how you want to categorize the bill. Go to the Expenses tab if the bill relates to a regular business expense, and then select the appropriate expense account. If the purchase is for inventory or something item-based, use the Items tab instead. Choosing the right tab is important because it affects how the transaction appears in your records and reports. Once everything has been entered and reviewed, click Save and Close if you're finished, or click Save Anew if you want to enter another bill right away. Saving the bill records the amount as money you owe, which means it can now be included when you're ready to pay your bills in QuickBooks Desktop. That's it! With these details entered correctly, you'll have a cleaner accounts payable workflow and more accurate bookkeeping.